everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday, and this week we're going to talk about the holidays. And this is an important one in the fact that if you're doing any kind of wholesaling, fix and flipping, you're looking for those discounted properties, unfortunately this is the time of season that you're going to likely find your best opportunities. When people are looking to move during the holidays or trying to sell during the holidays, they're only doing so because they really have to. Let's face it, everybody else wants to be, they're going to be involved in family events and office parties and everything else that's going on. So if somebody is calling in, you need to really consider being available during this time of year. And I know it's kind of hard with everything that you might have going on in your life around the holiday season. But like I said, typically, if they're calling you this time of year, there is definitely a sign of motivation. If you found any value today, could you do me a quick favor? Send this on to a friend who might find some value. And hopefully I'll see you next time.